We're going to refill an HP 682 cartridge, black color. So, ito po yung ginamit kong brand. Kasi yung HP na ink is so expensive. And, ito po yung lalagyan natin. When you remove this sticker, ito pong itsura niya. So, gitna po. Yung middle hole po, dyan po natin i-inject yung ink. And we're gonna use this syringe. Yung iba sabi 4 ml. Yung iba is 9 ml. So, the other video that I saw is 5 and 4 yung in-inject niya. So, right now, I still have 50%. I'm just gonna inject like 4 to 5 ml. Okay. So, we're gonna do this. Going to remove this cover. And, yan po yung tsura niya. Meron pa siyang protective film. Huwag nyo nang tanggalin. I-inject nyo na lang to. And, medyo, ano nyo po siya. Tapos, we're gonna inject 4 ml. Tilt it a little. And here we go. There. 4 ml na siya. Put it back. Close it. Right away. And then, let's inject. Oh. Ayun, tumulo siya. Hold on. Inject ko na natin. Slowly. Assist lang po. To prevent air. Wala po siyang spill. Maliban lang po yung kanina na nag-spill. So, wala akong tissue. I'm gonna use this. Press. Press. And then wipe. Yun. Clean it up. So, malalaman mo kung sobra siya sa ano. Kasi dito. Yan. Yun. And, you can actually use a band paper para malaman mo. Hold on. I'm just gonna get the band paper. Okay. Lika. Ayan. Hanggang lumiit na siya. Okay lang. Unas lang. Wipe lang. Press na lang. Diin. 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 So, siguro okay na ito. Yeah. There you go. Actually, 50% pa kasi laman nito. Nababasa sa ano niya. And make sure you do not touch this part. This part. That part. Don't touch it. No, no. It's going to be corrupted. Hindi mababasa ng system ng HP. Ito lang po yung nasa ilalim. Okay, naka-overflow siya. Alright, so we're gonna leave it like that.